In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top. When you're ready, select Theme section, and to apply one of those, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all the available ones. Now, after checking out which one is the best, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And then hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, click on the same gear icon at the top, hit Theme, and this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!